Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding and most attractive collection of crochet flower designs. Different color, different designs, different ideas in front of you. I hope you like this collection. You know crochet is always beautiful and always trendy. Stylish also, so I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designer as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet flower designs and others like crochet baby frog designs, baby romper designs, baby shoes designs, baby cap designs, women cap designs, men cap designs, women long gloves, short gloves, fingerless gloves, and women scarf designs, flowering scarf designs, women cap, shawl, caplet, banjo designs, garter dresses, long dresses, short dresses, women skirt designs, and in jewelry, crochet necklace designs, crochet earring designs, crochet finger rings, and bracelets also, and feet jewelry like crochet anklet designs, baby anklet designs, and many more. So, dear friends, you can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. Always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. So don't forget to like my videos. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends, relatives, and also gives your feedback in the hammer section about the collection. How was the design? How was the video? Dear friends, you can put these amazing crochet flowers on your headbands, on your jewelry, and frogs, baby frogs, and sweaters, cushions also. So, dear friends, try. Now, goodbye till the next video. See you soon.